Hey guys, this is Michelle Agboja. This is my YouTube page for Agboja Designs, and I'm really glad that you found me. Hopefully you got here because you're trying to learn how to unzip a file. Maybe you got here from purchasing one of my digital downloads on Etsy. That would be amazing if you are here because of that. But that also means that you're not sure exactly how to open your file. So if you follow this tutorial and you still have problems, please feel free to contact me anytime. I'm on most socials under the same name, Agboja Designs. You can pretty much find me if you Google. But also don't forget to review my shop so that more people can see it. So this is a bra bundle that I recently uploaded, and I had a bunch of formats: Illustrator, PDF, EPS, PNG, and Etsy only lets you upload 5 files. So I had to take a lot of the artwork that I did and put it into a compressed zip file. The zip files are super cool because they store a lot of information in a very small folder. But I remember when I first started trying to open zip files, it was so hard. I did not understand what I was doing. So this is for you. Going to jump right in to my file. On a Mac, I go to Finder. On a PC, you're going to go to your files. Mine happened to be hidden away here. Don't laugh at my file names. I'm going to give us a different view, icons, and we're going to open this up so we can see what is going on. And so here we have all the files. If you open these up, you'll see that I had packed up all these different files into one zip file, which is right here. On a Mac, all you have to do is double click and it will open it. Once it makes a copy and unzips it, you can see that all of my files are in there. On a PC, it's a little bit different. You have to go to also find that file, look for a button that says extract or extract all. You have to select it and then extract all. Usually the button is towards the top. If you can't find that button on the PC, you usually can right click as well on here. And it should give you an unzip or something about zip files. Once you click that and say, okay, it will save it in hopefully a spot that you can remember. And that's pretty much it. Once you unzip that file, you can access however you need to. You can open up an Illustrator or other applications. So that's pretty much it. It's super simple. Again, if you have any trouble, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help with a phone call or text or whatever. And leave a comment below on what else you would like to see and how you found me. That would be great. Bye.